everyone! Today, I'll show you how to transform your Canva background into a gradient color. Start by opening Canva and creating a new project. Click anywhere on the background to select it. If the background is hard to select, go to the Position tab, then Layers, and click the background layer directly. Next, click the background color icon. Scroll down to see Preset Gradient options. Choose one that fits your design, or click Add a new color to create a custom gradient. In the Gradient Editor, select multiple colors for your gradient blend. Adjust the style linear, radial, or angled to control how the colors flow. Once satisfied, your gradient background is ready. If this helped, leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more design tips. Thanks for watching.